Hello, hello everyone. Okay, now today we are going to learn Jolly Phonics Group 4. Okay, what we are going to learn? Jolly Phonics Group 4. Right? Now here we will write the sounds first. Okay, now here there is some two letter blending, right? So we can say first is A-I,
A-I,
J,
J,
O-A,
O-A,
I-E,
I-E,
E-E,
E-E,
O-R.
O-R.
Now first let me tell you one thing. In group 4, now you can see AI. Two letters are there, right? Here only one letter is there. Here again two letters are there. Okay.
Yes.
Here again two letters. But also you can notice one thing. Now in this AI both are vowels. What? Both are vowels.
Vowel.
OA both are vowels. Both are vowels. IE again both are vowels. I and E are vowels and EE vowels. But in OR, O is vowel but R is the consonant. Right? So now we have to remember one thing. Whenever these two vowels go walking, means we say whenever the two vowels go walking, the first one is talking. The first one is talking. Okay. So the first one is A. So A will talk and I will not talk. Again here O and A. So O will talk, A will not talk. I will talk and E will not talk. That means the sound of only this first letter will come, second letter will not come. They will remain silent. In EE also, but the sound of both E will be E because the second sound is not going to come, only the first sound will come, right? And OR, both the sounds will come because R is the consonant. So both the sounds O and R will come. Okay, now we will write the sounds here. AI. So what is the sound of AI? I will write A.
A.
Okay, A. Now how it will be? A. See, you have to put like this. A, A, A. A, A, A. Yeah. So first initially the A sound was A. But here it will be A. Right? A sound will remain as it is, that is A. Now we will see the flashcards. Now this is rain. है ना? R, A, N. Right? R, A, N. Right? So spelling of rain is like this. Now the next one is train. Right? And the last one, paint. Right? So rain, train, paint. Right? So A. So this is A sound. Right? Now the next one, that is J. Now the sound of J is J. Right. So how? Like jelly. If the jelly we demold on our hand. So what? How it does? Like this. It vibrates. Right. So it is J. 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 Okay. So the flashcards are J. J. Jelly. Right? Jelly. Yes. The next one is Joker. And the next one is jam. So jelly, Joker, jam. Right? So J. Now the next one is OA. So what is the sound of OA? So again the first one will talk, second one will not talk. So the sound of this one is O. Okay, the sound of O. So how it is? Like surprising. How? O, 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 O. Right? So this is the action. O. Right? Now here are the flashcards like boat. Right? B-O-T. Right? Right. Now the next one is goat. And the third one is float. Right? So boat, first one will talk. So the sound of IE is I. And how the sound of IE is I. 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 Right? So it is I. The sound of I was E, na? When we were learning first group, remember I, E. But here, this I will sound as I. O will sound as O. A will sound as O. Sorry, A. And E will sound as E. Right? So now here the flashcards. So this is tie. Tie, na? We wear the tie. So that's it. That is tie. Pie. Right? We eat pie. And these are flies. Right? House flies, na? So tie, pie, flies. Right. Okay. Now the next one is double E, right? So it is the sound of this is E. And I will write this also because both are in combination. The sounds are, so this is or. Okay? E and or. Now how, I will show you the action first. So that is how the donkey says E or. E or. E or. Right? So the same way we are going to practice this both. Right? E and or. So this is seed. Right? Seed. Seed we plant. Now this is bee. Honey bee. And this is cheese. Right? So seed.
Bee.
Cheese. Seed, bee and cheese. Right?
Seed, bee.
And cheese. Right? And or. The sound of or. Like horn we say. Right? Horn. Pom pom. Right? Horn. Then this is corn. And this is fork. Right? So this is horn, corn, fork. Yes, very good. So again, just we will do practice once again. A, I sound as A. J sound for J. O, A sound as O. I, E sound as I. E, or sound as E. Or. E. Or. E. Or. Okay. So now this way the group is over. This is the fourth group. Okay. Learn well. Okay. Bye. Take care.